Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Odessa, Florida for a returning customer. I did her driveway before, and now she calls me back for a pool deck. And it's crazy because her neighbor right here, I did the roof over here sometime earlier this year. I did the roof. Roof is looking good. I did the pool deck for him, the pool screen. This one is pretty much gonna be a downstream mix. And we're gonna let it dwell for a good 15 minutes. She just had the pool deck done and the pool resurfaced, so we don't have to touch the deck at all. But I'm pretty sure if we get some dirty water, we're gonna have to rinse it up. I got Elijah with me today. We're gonna be knocking it out. The screen got a lot of algae on it, a lot of pollen. So, but it's not terribly too bad for, well, I have to use a hot mix. Downstreaming is more than enough. Let's go check out the inside. As I always tell you guys, as I'm walking around, I'm checking out for blown out screens to make sure that, you know, I don't get blamed for anything. But you got a lot of algae on the beams. She just had the pool, like I said, resurfaced. Pool is looking great, inside and out. Make me want to jump in. All right, man, let's go and get it. Start watering down the plants that's all around here for protection, and then we're gonna downstream our mix. Alright, so we're downstream the outside and the inside of the cage. It's been about 15 minutes. We should be able to start racing. The cage is coming clean from the outside already. The inside is much thicker. So by the time we get done outside, we should be ready to do the inside. Alright, let's get it. All right, we are done. Cage is looking fantastic. She got a complete package. She got a new pool deck, new in-ground pool. She's looking very good. All right, let's go on and head up to the next job. Hi guys, we got the second job for the day. We're working out in Carrollwood, Florida. We're doing a returning customer. We're doing a driveway here, sidewalks, and we got a pool deck and some pavers out back we're gonna be doing. This driveway is very dirty. She lives on the cul-de-sac, so everything drains right here. So therefore, when it rains, all the water sits here. So we're gonna be doing the curb. She's paying extra for us to do all the curb from all the way around here and looping all the way around to over there. Like I said, we're doing the sidewalk, walkway, driveway. She has an electric pressure washer, so I'm gonna show you guys the worn marks. She got some worn marks down here, all throughout here. And we're gonna be doing this walkway up to the front door. I got Elijah starting out in the back. We already did the pool deck already. It was mostly a rinse down because I cleaned it in April, so it wasn't that bad. So Elijah's doing this little walkway in the back. Before we start hitting the pavers, we're gonna go ahead and apply a downstream mix for our SH. We're gonna do the same thing for the driveway. Downstream, it's coming out. All right, go ahead and start. Then we're gonna downstream the driveway, walkway, and the sidewalks. We're gonna hit these right here with the sand mix, just to soften the algae up. And we're gonna clean those with the turbo nozzle. That's enough, son. right, we all finished here. Cleaned up. This is the old driveway, so this is the best it's gonna look. No, I did not leave those stripes there. They were there before I got here. Like I say, it's an old driveway. Pretty much this whole area is old. I did the little pavers for them over here, nice and clean. Did that with the turbo nozzle. Looking good. Did the walkway. You can tell how clean that is, all the way up to over here, which is the neighbors. Like I said, this is not my lines. The driveway is just like that. See these two lines right here? I'm not sure what was there, but it just ate up the driveway. All right, me and Eli are done for the day. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you next time. Peace.